In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start email lists with Kit. The goal here is to create a simple landing page that collects subscriber emails, then publish it and share the link. This is one of the fastest ways to begin building an email list, especially if you do not have a website set up yet. First, sign in to your Kit account and look at the main navigation. Go to Grow, and then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is the section where Kit lets you create opt-in pages and sign-up forms, so it is the best place to start when your focus is list growth. Once you are on the Landing Pages and Forms screen, click Create New, and then select Landing Page. Kit will open a template gallery. At this point, you can choose any template you like. The template name does not affect deliverability or list setup, so pick one that matches the style you want. For example, you might select a clean template like Abby. After you select your template, click Choose to load it. Next, you will adjust an important setting before you publish. In the top right corner, click Settings, and then go to Incentive. This area controls how new subscribers are confirmed. For a smoother sign-up experience, check the option for auto-confirm new subscribers. This means people who sign up will be added immediately without needing to click a confirmation link. This is helpful when you want fewer drop-offs during the sign-up process. Just keep in mind that you should still focus on attracting subscribers who truly want your content, so your list stays healthy. After that, click Save to lock in your changes. Then, in the top right, click Publish. Publishing makes your landing page live, so people can actually access it and subscribe. When the page is published, Kit will provide a URL for the landing page. Copy that link. This is the link you will share anywhere you promote your email list, such as your social media bio, a post, a video description, or a direct message. Use the same link consistently so it is easy for people to find and subscribe. That covers everything you need to know.